It's Decathlon.
I think I'm gonna carry it out there.
Put the camera on there.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Let me
It doesn't look like he wants it. It's okay.
The camera costs more than the plane.
Yeah. Really? I don't wanna.
Dude, you might want to work the middle. It's gonna go in the middle. It's gonna cost 5 minutes only anyway. He's gonna use the whole thing.
It's a detailed cockpit. All the wires. All the
How
wires.
heavy is it?
About 10 pounds, maybe. Yeah. No, I'm not kidding you. See, I shouldn't waste that much battery.
Dude, yeah.
Take off that way, huh?
Yeah,
Freaking
just
motor,
we'll
dude.
go in the middle and just go that way. That's nice.
Look at those tires, man. Inflatable tires. Oh, man, that's awesome. There's some two little girls on the right side. Oh, no. Come on. What are they doing, these girls? They don't know. They choose. Oh, ready? There it goes. You can tell it's heavy, huh?
Yep.
Oh, look at that. Oops. What happened there?
How much does it weigh? 9 pounds? Wow.
That's why it's not flying good. Look, see, it goes crazy, man.
Quiet. Quiet. Yeah, 4 minutes. Exactly 4 minutes.
4 minutes. Almost. Thinking about business here. Stay forward.
He wants to be in the middle too. There's Mike's playing. Nice playing, Ed.